You are invited to join us at the Celeste Texas Car and Motorcycle Cruise-In. If you have a car-related business, you are very much invited as well. Bring something that represents your business and show it off.
Hey, hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. 2 announcements. Number 1, Celeste Texas Cruise-In is Sundays. 3rd Sunday, 3 p.m. Celeste Texas Cruise-In. Come on out. I don't care what you're driving. Just come on out and have some fun. Why? Because announcement number 2, we are trying to gather up car-related vendors or even t-shirt people and all kinds of good stuff to come on out to the Celeste Texas Cruise-In. 3rd Sunday of every month, 3 p.m. So we want all these vendors to come out and join us as well. So that's the big announcement, and I want to show you some of the wonderful people that are often at these cruise-ins, and, you know, maybe a little bit more than that, some of the rides and that kind of jazz. So here we go.
Celeste, Texas, just a hop, skip, and jump from McKinney, very close to Greenville, and an easy, fun drive from any other location. The Cruise-In is directly downtown, right in the center on 69. We are asking for vendors to come out and join us, such as Backwoods Custom Works. This is Hank Pickering, does great metal fab. Maybe your business is making shirts and printing items for car-related companies. Perhaps you have a construction company that can lay down the foundation for a really cool garage. Or maybe you just got a really neat car for sale. Just bring something related to your business and come show it off with us. Time for some beauty shots and shout outs to great people. While my wife was at a really cool goat farm with a neighbor, something I might do a video on in the future, I was at the Celeste Cruise-In, parked right there next to Mike and Connie's really fine C5 pace car. Connie and Mike are the hosts of the Celeste Cruise-In. They are also the host and organizers of the Celeste Trades Day Swap Meet in Celeste, Texas, of which I did a short initial video of their very first event quite a while back. If you want to talk to somebody really interesting, you need to meet up with Willy. And here's his fine hand-built Harley Davidson. Can you say hand-built? You can for his. You need to check it out. If you are into motorcycles, please check out my 2 videos of the 88 Softail and the 08 Stratoliner. Furthermore, he has a 2001 Corvette that is in very nice condition, and we have gone on cruises together, of which I have another video about. So when I say Willy is a really cool guy, I really mean it. When you come out to these cruise-ins, you might run into Mike. He owns the Daytona, which is in fantastic condition. He is a member of the Wesley Street Cruisers, and he is currently managing the Greenville Cruise-In event, which has altered into a Cars and Coffee, going to be off 69 at the church at River Oaks. Another very, very cool guy, Russel Gray, an admin for the Wesley Street Cruisers. He's got his pickup truck that he really shows quite a bit, but he's also a pretty big Mustang guy. Russell tends to get around a lot. One example is running into him at the Shelby Dyno Day in Mount Pleasant at the college, and we just had a great time there. But he is a wealth of knowledge, member of a Greenville Antique Car Club, and, you know, he just is a great guy. And if you want to meet another crazy guy, talk to Danny Pate. and his wife. They are wonderful people. Now, Danny Pate has got Insane by Design, his own car shop that is very unique, and you will see his pickup truck buzzing around quite a bit. Danny is also the organizer, host of the Wolf City Cruise-In. And yeah, that's his car in the picture also. He's got some pretty neat rides. You got to talk to him. And this is just a quick clip of Danny coming in with two of his cars. I didn't get a great picture of his pickup, but this belongs to Rick. Rick knows a lot of people. You need to find him and talk to him. Here's Dennis with his car and a giant dog inside. That is actually very nice. Dennis is the host of the Leonard Cruise-In. And this fine black and white Chevy, kind of a tuxedo you might say, is owned by Mike and Amanda. Pretty cool car. As a side note, this is Hank Pickering. He is the owner of Backwoods Custom Works. He has gone to some of these cruise-ins, and I have a video that I am working on right now that ought to be out highlighting his work and his shop. Mike and Amanda are really laid-back, easygoing people. Hunt them up and talk to them a little bit. A quick clip of Mike and Amanda arriving at the cruise-in. Here's a quick scan of the north side. There were quite a few very nice pickups. We had a very nice showing of Corvettes, in total 7, along with another one that ended up passing through. As far as Corvettes are concerned, we ended up with 2 C5s, 2 C6s, 1 C4, 2 C3s, and then a C8 came through a little later. Just another fun picture of the C5s and C6s together. Had a couple of nice Mustangs as well. Very glad that they showed up and really loved this silver Shelby. This cool old car is almost ready for driving. They have a little bit more to do, but they did not want to miss the cruise-in, so they just trailered it and showed it off to everybody. This was a very nice car. Of course, the motorcycle groups know where to go, and that means you should too. They always know where the greatest roads are to drive. I will insert many of the other photographs and video clips at the end of this video, so you can go to that, see more of the cars and people that showed up. And I just think this little Corvette is fantastic. It sounds great. He just got a great deal on this car, and I'm ready to go cruising with him in the near future. Do what?
Your purse is out.
Oh. I won't show that part. I'll cut it. And in this blue C8, that's Craig and Becky, a 2020, slightly modified. He does race it, and obviously they cruise all over Texas.
This looks like a pretty good spot for us to line up right here in town.
Why not? The police station's just right there, and the fire department's over there. We're good.
Well, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And again, please subscribe down below. It is so easy. Now, remember, Celeste, Texas, 3rd Sunday, 3 p.m. All of you are invited. Come on out. And vendors, come on out as well. Set up a little bit or just check it out to see if it's something you'd like to be involved with. So we would love to see you. And so we're at the end of the video. With that, relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.